Get into the 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a solid, smooth-riding Nissan Pathfinder, the family-oriented three-row crossover with impressive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive. Flexible seating and standard driver assist safety features give you the convenience and confidence to enjoy every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Take every project in stride with this versatile Pathfinder. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.